Alright, hello everybody, this is 25. In this video, I need some quick car maintenance. I'll check the fluids and check everything else. And this car is a 1987 Oldsmobile Firenza, my first vehicles. So, I'm going to show you around. Here's the inside of it. It's a 4-cylinder, not bad. I paid like $900 for it. When I bought it, it had like 57,000 miles on it. Now I have around 70,000. It's a good vehicle. So let's check the fluids and see you in a second. Okay, here's the engine. What I do, I check the oil, I check the antifreeze levels. All the fluids, but they're already good already. I get some more washer fluid, but that's okay. But yeah, this is just what I usually do when I check my engine and fluids and everything. I do it every week, make sure nothing's low. So this is a short video, waiting. I'll check the battery sometimes. This is my new battery I got this last year. I made a video about it, an old one. It died after I did that video. So it's a Walmart brand Value Power battery. Paid $60 for it. So we want no terminals except for on the side. So it's not terrible. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.